Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you I've worked on a smart toilet and this project works very well. I'm using the laptop to power the microcontroller that I've used, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how it works. When I click the button, the toilet will flash, as you can see, and this will delay for 4 seconds. Then the water will go back in, then you'll be able to flush again. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and if you need this project, you can contact me. I can develop for you this microcontroller. It's easy to install, so if you need it, just comment. So I'm going to go ahead and create a PowerPoint for it, and this would work in any position in the house. You can flush your toilet. So I've developed this project in order to flush from far, and also in order to save power. So have a nice time. Goodbye.